Hey yo, welcome back to my channel. This is Believer Smith coming to you directly from Believers Rebranded. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through this trap drum kit called 100 degree. It's crazy, man. As always, y'all know how we do it here in Believers. So before we actually get into that, you know what you gotta do. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. Surely it does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you an upload. And also guys, if you're digging the content, if you're digging the FLP that I just played you guys, just go ahead and leave some nice emojis in the comment section. And also, don't forget to like the video for the sake of the YouTube algorithm. Alright, so without no further ado, let's go ahead and check out the FLP that you guys just heard. So there's a piano, there's a bell, and there's a pad. So let me just walk you in the mixer so you guys can see what happened. So for the piano, I cut out some of the lows using the FL Studio EQ. So as you can see here, and I boosted around 25k. So yeah, 25 hertz, sorry. So and then I use this JZP compressor. So it has everything. It has a place for synth, for strings, you know, and for piano. So yeah, so you can see here what happened. This is self-explanatory. So yeah, then there's the bell. Same here, cut out some of the lows and I boosted around 25. So yeah, same here with the pad. I cut out some of the whatever, then I sent it here to this buzz, whether it's this Midi tone shaper, and yeah, give us some kind of, you know, saturation, and that's it. So to make everything easier for myself, so I just compressed everything in one bus, as you can see here. So I use this as SSL compressor. All right, so yeah, that's it. That's basically it. Then in the master, I added some of the sorry, it's off. I added some of the some saturation, and I excited the mix a little bit using this vitamins by Waves. So as you can see here, I boosted around 25 again. Then I boosted around between 90 and 500. That's where the kick comes in. And then I have this Maximus. I don't use Maximus to compress anything. I just use it for stereo separation. A lot of people like to use it for, you know, compressing, but honestly, I don't use it for that. I just use it for stereo separation. As you can see here, the lows and mids and the highs, everything, the compressor is off. As you can see, it's off. So I just use it for that. Then here the bands, you can, you know, you can increase the width of the mix from here. So yeah, that's it. Then the limiter, that's it. I didn't do a lot of things in this mix. So once you actually get this FLP, you can go through it and just see what happened there. So let's go ahead and check out the drum kit itself. So I'm gonna start you off first with the drums, because I want to open a new project just to show you guys the midis, because every time I have like plugins, I have some plugins loaded up here, maybe in a mix or something like that. When I come back and try to load up the midis, it doesn't work. I don't know whether that happens to you, but it happens to me a lot. So let's check out the drums. So I'm gonna start first with the snares here. You put out the whatever. All right, let's go ahead and open an empty project here. Basically empty. All right, let's go ahead and pull up Triton. All right, let's go ahead and pull out a piano. So I'm gonna use a 60s piano. It has a nice vibe to it. So let's go ahead and play some of these midis here. So I'm gonna start from the first MIDI, which is 130 BPM. So I'll go ahead and change this to 130. All right, let's listen to that. Let's change this to 80 BPM. All right, the last MIDI, which is 80 BPM as well. All right, so that's it. That's it for the piano midis. Let's go ahead and check out the guitar midis. So go back to treatment here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up a guitar. So I'm gonna use one of these guitars here. I'm just gonna pick one random guitar. So maybe this one here. So it doesn't really matter as long as you guys can hear the midis. So second. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the guitar MIDI. So you guys can actually finish this. Maybe take this MIDI and actually make some crazy beat out of it. You know. So yeah. So yeah, that's it. That's it for this whole package. Make sure that you actually check it out. Link in the description. It's free. So yeah. So if you guys are digging the content, I said make sure that you leave some nice emojis in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want more videos of this nature, or more drum kits from believers. So yeah, that's it. So I hope that you actually like this kit. I hope it helps you a lot. I'm sure there's a lot of sounds here that can change your production process and your beat making process and your beats. And also when you check out the FLP, I'm sure there's a little bit of tricks that you can learn from there and actually apply in your mixes. So yeah, that's it. Enjoy the kit. Make crazy banging beats with this. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Goodbye. Stay safe. Namaste.